Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to make boob and boot enlargement oil. As there is a lot of ladies out there go for plastic surgery just to enhance their boob and boot size. But I'm here to show you how to make a simple oil that can help you increase up to 2 or 3 times the size of your cup or boots. Let's begin. You'll be needing fenugreek seeds. You'll be needing fennel seeds and black seeds. Olive oil. You will need a container and its cover. You will need your grinder and of course a tablespoon. I'm going to be telling you the health benefits of these seeds. These seeds ain't just for the purpose of boob and boob enlargement, but as it is with fenugreek, I'm going to start with fenugreek. A lot of lactating mothers out there use it to enhance the production of their breast milk. This seed is also good for cardiovascular diseases. It is good for obesity. People that are obese can take these seeds. And these seeds also fight a lot of diseases. You can do a research on your own to find out the health benefits of fenugreek seeds. Now, fennel seed is also good in doing a lot of things. Fennel seed is good in fighting cardiovascular diseases. It's good for neurological diseases. When I say cardiovascular, I mean heart diseases, and when I say neurological, I mean brain diseases. So if you know anybody with these diseases, just advise the person to grind these seeds and add the quantity needed in food into smoothies, tea, juice, or even their food. And fennel also is anti-cancerous. It also helps in fighting obesity. Now, I'm going to be talking about cumin or black seeds. Cumin is good for asthma. If you know a person with asthma, just advise the person to be taking black seeds. The person can grind it into powder and add it to smoothies, tea, juice, and food. But I'm going to advise you, as good as they are, you can do a research on your own, right? And know when and when not to take it. And as good as these seeds are, you don't have to take more than the quantity needed in food. Once some people know that something is good, they start eating 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons a day. No. If you're going to take these seeds, you don't need more than 1/4 teaspoon. This is a tablespoon. I'm talking about a teaspoon. That's the spoon that is smaller than this. Alright, let's make our oil. To make this oil, you need just 2 tablespoons of each seed for the size of an olive oil like this. This is extra virgin olive oil. There are people that use almond oil for this oil, but I'm going to be using olive oil because olive oil is also very good for this purpose. So in a nutshell, all of the things I'm going to be using for this oil are edible. If you buy your curry, the curry spice that you use in cooking, just check the list. You will see fenugreek there, you will see fennel, you will see cumin or black seed, some people call it caraway, and you will see a whole lot of other things there. Okay, to make your oil now, you scoop 2 spoons of each seed into your grinder. Then you grind. By the time you're done grinding, you will have something like this. There is something with fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is very hard to grind, except you have a very strong grinding machine. There is this grinding machine that they use in grinding watermelon seeds in some markets here in Nigeria, except you're using that type of machine to grind the seeds. If you're using the ordinary grinder attached to your blender, this is the way it's gonna look, but that's not a problem. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to scoop out 6 tablespoons into the container you'll be using to make your oil. This is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. So 6 is okay. So the next thing you will do is to pour your oil into it. And turn. You can use your spoon. If your container is very neat, you can lick your spoon when you're done stirring it. Just turn like this. And when you're done stirring, make sure your container is disinfected or sterilized. Make sure everything you're using in cosmetology, you don't use anything without disinfecting or sterilizing it. So that's what you do. Okay. You stir properly like this. You can lick your spoon if you want, so long as you're not using anything that contains chemical. You can lick it. This tablespoon, I use it sometimes to eat because I'm not producing any cosmetic products that has chemicals. I used the spoon that I sometimes use to eat. But if you're producing the one that has chemical, make sure you have a separate tablespoon for it. Okay, when you're done, you cover your container like this. Okay, cover it like this and allow it to sit for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, all you need to do is to use a cheesecloth and filter your oil. When you filter your oil, you can pour it back into your container and label it. Or if you don't have a hard time or you don't have people that can easily tamper with it, you can just keep it there or hide it somewhere. Then use a smaller container that you can easily pour the quantity you want. Every time you take your bath, you just apply this oil. You apply it in an anti-clockwise direction. Just apply it on your boob and your boots before applying your body cream, or you can apply it on your boob or boots before or after applying your body cream. Then there's something you can do, right? Your grounded seed, if you want, you can add just a little, a quarter teaspoon or even less than that, to your smoothies, your tea, your juice, and etc. That's just about it, and it will do a perfect job for you. But there is something. If you are pregnant, please do not take fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seed also induces contraction. What does it mean to contract? It can break your water bag and you're going to have problems. Alright, so don't take fenugreek seeds. If you're pregnant, you can take your black seed, you can take fennel seed. The fenugreek seeds, don't take it if you're pregnant. If you're lactating, that's breastfeeding, you can take it to induce the production or to add to the production of your breast milk. All of these seeds send messages to your pituitary gland to start producing estrogens. that is needed for the development in the areas that you want to see changes in. So that's just about it. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with loved ones, and subscribe down below so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you.